Welcome to draw.io's diagram editor. Let's hop right into the basics. There are many different ways to add a shape to the canvas. You can double-click on the canvas and select from the shape picker, drag and drop from the shape library, or click once on a shape from the shape library. Find the perfect shape by using the search field in the Shapes panel. Replace an entity on the canvas by dragging another on top of it until you see the blue cyclical arrows. Or you can hold Shift and click a shape from the shape library. Add text anywhere to the canvas by double-clicking any blank space and selecting Text. You can also add text to your shapes and connectors by either clicking once and beginning typing, or by double-clicking to bring up the extended text options. Add an image to the canvas by dragging and dropping it from your files. If you're using draw.io within Confluence, you can also add an image directly from a URL. There are many ways to easily expand your diagram. You can hover over the blue arrow and select one of the 4 basic shapes. Click on the blue arrow and select one of these 16 basic shapes, or drag and drop any shape from the libraries on one of the blue arrows. To connect existing shapes, click on one of the blue arrows, hold your mouse button, and drag the connection to the target shape. Release the mouse once you see a blue highlight around the target shape's edge. To style your shapes and connectors, go to the Format panel at the right. I'm going to quickly add color to my shapes. Then I'll change the shapes and the connectors from sharp to rounded, and then increase line stroke. We know about adding text to the canvas and shapes, but now that we have connectors, let's double-click on them to bring up the extended text options and add text there too. To navigate the canvas, either click and drag using your right mouse button, or hold space while using your left mouse button. Zoom in and out by holding Alt on your keyboard and scrolling, or by using the magnifying glasses in the top left corner. Thank you for watching, and happy diagramming!